Test driving the 1998 Lincoln Collector Series Mark 8. This is the last year of this vehicle. It is a numbered Collector Series car with only 5,500 original miles. As you can see, the car runs and drives like a brand new one because it's essentially a new car. These cars are awesome. They were basically personal luxury coupes with power. 320 horsepower, 32 valve Intech V8, same engine that came in the Mustang Cobra of this year is what this car's got under the hood. But instead of being in a little hard riding Mustang, you're wrapped in Lincoln luxury and comfort.